everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. So first, you need to go to ChatGPT homepage. Then at the top right side, just click the three dots, then go to settings. Then go to the left side and click privacy and security. Then go to the bottom and click again the cookies and other site data. Scroll down. At the bottom, you need to click see all site data and permission. Then, as you can see at the top of the right corner, you need to search OpenAI. Then, at the bottom, you need to delete all site cookies. If the problem persists, click the extension icon at the right side corner. Then click Manage Extensions. Then you will see these extensions and you will disable all extensions. Then refresh. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.